Good morning, students. Welcome to your class of English. Today we are going to do our first chapter, Mowgli in Trouble. I hope you all have heard about Mowgli. It is the favorite character of children. Mowgli, you have seen on TV also, and in books also you have read about this. The name of the book is The Jungle Book, and the book is written by Rudyard Kipling. In the book, there is a character named Mowgli. Mowgli is the main character in this book. What is the story of Mowgli? Mowgli is adopted by a family of wolves and brought up in the jungle. Who are the main characters in this? Baloo, the bear, who teaches Mowgli the way to live in jungle, and Bagheera is the Black Panther, who always protects him from dangers, from problems. One day what happened? Some monkeys, they planned to kidnap Mowgli. Why they planned to kidnap Mowgli? Let's see in the summary of the chapter. As Baloo and Bagheera, they were the protectors of Mowgli. So Baloo always taught Mowgli the way how to live in the jungle. Baloo taught him to run from one tree to another tree, to jump high, low, how to walk in the jungle, how to protect himself from animals, from other animals in the jungle. Everything Mowgli learnt, each and everything very actively. And whenever Baloo taught him these ways, the monkeys, those who were there in the jungle, in the forest, they always watched Mowgli when he used to do all these tricks. And all the monkeys, they thought that this boy Mowgli is very intelligent. He is very active. This boy should be the leader of their group. So by and by, as they watched him daily, one day they decided to kidnap Mowgli. And one day when Mowgli was sleeping with Bagheera and Baloo, they kidnapped him. As they kidnapped him, Mowgli came to know that there is some problem. So he cried. And as he cried, Baloo and Bagheera, they also came to know that the monkeys, they have kidnapped Mowgli. So what they did? They thought of a plan. And what plan was there? How Baloo and Bagheera and other animals save Mowgli from the monkeys. Chapter yourself and try to find how they saved Mowgli from monkeys.